Okay, so in this module, we're going to look at receiving customer payments and also banking client money if they paid in cash or check. So if they paid via electronic transfer, which is going straight into your bank, you can literally click on New, and under Customer, you can see Receive Payment. Now, for example, if we choose Adwin Co, you can see they've got 2 invoices outstanding there. And I'm going to say that I received the money at the beginning of June. Okay, and for example, if they paid £2,500, that's 3,500, no, 2,500. You can see that this automatically pays off the oldest one first and then puts the rest to the other one. Now you can change that if you need to, or if they've only paid a certain amount. Let me untick that for a minute. If they've paid a certain amount, for example, just £2,000, this one bit won't change, but you can change it there and then go to Save and Close or Save and New. You can Save and New. And just to show you again, I'm going to Kathy's Consulting Company. Again, I'm going to say it was paid on the 1st of June. Deposit to the current account, and they paid all of that £3,000. So I'm just going to do Save and Close there now. Okay, now if people pay in cash, you might want to use what's called an undeposited funds account. It also works well for checks. So basically you go to Accounting and Chart of Accounts, which we showed you in one of the earlier modules. So to create a new account, the undeposited funds account, you click on New. Undeposited funds, you only need one of these, and you go to account type is current assets, and detail type is around the bottom, undeposited funds. I'm just going to click on Save and Close. So there we go. Now, if we receive a payment now, I'm going to go to Adwin. Say they paid the rest of this balance, £1,300 in cash. You can click there and go to undeposited funds. So say I've received that on the 1st of June to undeposited funds. I can click on there. So Save and Close. Now what would happen if I can try and do another one as well? Should have done Save and New probably. Let's have a look. I'm not sure who we've got outstanding on here. Let me just have a look for... No, we haven't got anything under Benjamin. Okay, just to show you, because I don't really want to stop this all the way and do, just briefly looking at the reports. So I'm going to go to Open Invoices. Okay, so I am going to have look, Clement Cleaners, receive payment. So from Clement Cleaners, so in the 1st of June as well, they paid me, say, £1,500 towards this invoice. Save and Close. Go back to the dashboard. Now, when I've gone to the bank, if I can go to New, and I go to over here under Other, you go to Bank Deposit. Choose which bank account, if you've got more than one bank account. What day that I went, I'm going to say I went in on the 9th of June. And can you see here, it says payments received from to including this deposit. These are all ones that will be sitting in the undeposited funds account. So if I can click on You and You, that will just do that. Now, if you've got any excess funds of your own you want to add, you can also pop it in here. But we're not going to go through that at the moment. This is just hitting this bit. Now, for example, this is £2,800. If I wanted to keep some money for petty cash, for example, you can do that. You don't have to bank all of the £800. Where it says cashback goes to, you can click on here. I don't have a cash account, so I'm just going to click on Add, Cash on Hand. Retained cash, and I want to keep £500 back. See there, it's actually depositing 2,300. So we're going to mark these two as not being there anymore, but it is only depositing 2,300. It knows that I'm actually retaining £500 of that. So I'm just going to click on save and close. Okay, so now we're going to look at depositing money that's not customer money. So as you can see there, there's no more undeposited funds. And I'm going to say this time I went in back in the 11th, and I'm putting my own cash in there. So received from, I'm just going to put my name on here. Now the account on here will depend on whether you're a sole trader or a limited company. It'll either be your capital account or a director's loan account. I'm just going to see what they've got on here. They haven't got a director's loan account. They haven't got. So let me just click on one of these. A lot of you be sole traders, so I'm just going to put as a capital account for now, which is an equity account. Owner's equity, or I'd like to prefer to call it capital introduced. Okay, it's always going to be no VAT, even if you are VAT registered, and click on save and close. Money in, and that is it really. And put the money in there. Sorry. There we go. And you can see it defaults to the no VAT, and save and close. And that's it. It's pretty easy. And I will see you on the next lesson.